Have you ever wondered why Allah repeatedly reminds us of His blessings in the Quran? Let's uncover the wisdom behind it in Surah Al-Baqarah Verse 47.
يا بني إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأني فضلتكم على العالمين.
O children of Israel, remember my favor that I have bestowed upon you, and that I preferred you over the worlds. This verse is a direct address to the children of Israel, reminding them of the countless blessings Allah granted them. But why? 1. Acknowledgement of blessings. Allah calls on them to reflect on the countless blessings, including their rescue from Pharaoh, the provision of manna and quails, and the revelation of divine scriptures. It's a call to gratitude and obedience. 2. Responsibility of favor. Being chosen was not for privilege alone, but for responsibility. They were meant to uphold Allah's laws and be exemplars of faith. This reminder is a lesson for all believers. Great blessings come with great accountability. Universal lesson for humanity. Though directed at Bani Israel, this verse is a timeless reminder for all of us to 3. Recognize the favors of Allah in our lives. Avoid arrogance and fulfill our responsibilities as Muslims. 4. Relevance to today. We must assess whether we are living up to our role as ambassadors of Islam. Are we showing gratitude and spreading the message of Allah in our daily lives? Reflect on this verse and share in the comments one blessing you're grateful for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Quran with Tajweed as we uncover more lessons